Easter resurrection scene came in the mail today. I can't wait to see it. So this is the first one. This is from Walmart. Oh my gosh. I can already tell this is hilarious. Okay, this is not wood. I can already tell. Oh my gosh.
What?
The angel.
I can see the pixels.
This is, oh my gosh, this is a straight up
They printed
picture.
it. They just printed your photo.
Okay, here's an example of my photo.
Oh.
This is even better than I thought.
Look at that. Nailed it. Nailed it. Oh. Wow.
Yeah, these are separate. They straight up printed the picture.
They just printed your photo.
The picture of the wood.
It's like faded because it's not a high res because they ripped it from Etsy.
My gosh.
All right.
The cross does not even go.
The cross doesn't fit. They're like the Nephilim. They're giants.
I thought maybe it would be better. This is printed. Mary has double hands. Oh, this Mary has triple hands.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I don't know what happened there.
It must be whenever you take the photo. When you took your photo, your angels are pointing in, and so they're picking up on that depth.
Yes, because they weren't straight on photos.
And so that's why you got giant banana hands over here on Mary.
These are so bad, like so good. It's so good.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Nailed it.
Wow.